Stanley 1-93-330 Tool Bag Review. Getting your tools organized is a challenge, especially if you have a lot of them in your garage or workshop. To make things easier, you should invest in a tool bag. It will help you keep everything in a single place, making sure they are easily accessible when needed. It is also a great investment for people who have to work in different places and require a bag to transport their stuff easily. While you have a long list of options, one of the best is the Stanley 1-93-330 tool bag. It is from a reliable brand, and that is already a good reason to consider it over other products. Read the rest of this short review as we talk about some of the things that you can expect in this tool bag, including the good and the bad. Main product features. Below, we will have a quick rundown of some of the top features that you will find in this tool bag. 8 interior and 2 exterior pockets. This bag also has plenty of spaces for the tools that you need. The interior has 8 pockets while there are 2 additional pockets on the exterior. This way, there is plenty of space to keep the tools that you need. Mesh pocket. One of the pockets of the tool bag is made of mesh. It is constructed in such a way that you will easily see what is inside. This is small enough to accommodate the little stuff that you need to stash in your bag. Made of 600 by 600 denier fabric. The bag is made of a hard-wearing material. It has multiple layers of woven nylon, making it strong enough to withstand many years of use and support the weight of the tools inside. It is also thick to protect against external elements that can speed up damage of your tools, especially during long-term storage. Pros. Not yet convinced that the Stanley 1-93-330 tool bag is a great product? Here is a quick look at some of the benefits that you need to know. Affordable. An exceptional tool bag does not have to be expensive. That is exactly what you can expect from this product. It is a great pick for people on a budget. This can compete with the more expensive options that you will find in the market. Made by a reliable brand. Despite being affordable, we are confident that the quality is second to none. Among others, this is because it is made by Stanley. This is from the same brand that brought us some of the most reliable power tools that are currently available. Maintains its shape. In the case of many cheap tool bags, one thing that commonly happens is that they tend to lose their shape over time. One of the best things about this product is that it keeps its form through the years, which is indicative of its superior quality. It comes with a metal rod that will help in keeping the shape regardless of what is inside the bag. High-quality handle. Amongst the different parts of the tool bag, one of the most notable is the handle. It is large enough so that you can easily put your hand in. It also has excellent construction, making sure that it can support the weight of the tools inside. Comes with different compartments. One of the most important in a tool bag is to have various compartments that will help you in staying organized. That is exactly what you will find in this product. It has several pockets inside and outside, making it easier to keep tools and accessories in their proper places. There is even a small pocket for screws, lugs, nuts, and other tiny stuff. Cons. Despite all the good things, there are also some drawbacks that might make you think twice about buying Stanley 1-93-330 tool bag. Small opening. One of the most common complaints about this product is the size of the opening. It is quite small, which means that it will not accommodate larger tools. You will have a hard time putting them inside the bag because of the limitations in its opening. Does not accommodate a lot of tools. Aside from having a small opening, the size of the bag itself is already small. This means that it is limited in terms of the number or size of the tools that it can accommodate. We suggest using it only for small tools. Poor quality zipper. While the overall construction of the bag is notable, there are some people who did not like the zipper. It seems flimsy, especially when the bag is always full. We recommend being careful when zipping and unzipping the bag. Stitching could be better. Looking at the bag, one more part that we did not quite like is the stitching. It would have been better if there are more stitches and if they were thicker. This would have made it possible to accommodate more tools without the risk of breaking easily. Who is it for? The Stanley 1-93-330 tool bag is designed for both casual and professional users. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, seasoned carpenter, or experienced electrician, among others, this tool bag is for you. It is for people who have several tools that they want to bring anywhere. More so, it is also for those who want to protect their tools from dust and dirt, among other things that can speed up wear. Final verdict. In sum, the Stanley 1-93-330 tool bag is a great product. It is made by one of the most reliable brands for power tools, enough to convince us of its superior quality. It is also affordable despite its impressive construction. Plus, you have 10 pockets to organize your stuff in the bag. Nonetheless, it also has some problems, such as the small size and the flimsy zipper. Overall, the pros still outweigh the cons, so we are highly recommending this product for anyone who is looking for a tool bag.